Hello everyone, good evening. This side Sonu Solanki, and today I am going to share a story, a inspiration story, and I want to tell to all of you. We had a boy, and and he had a much curiosity towards his cricket, and and he was name is Jaiswan Jaiswal, and and I want to tell his journey, how he has achieved his his dream, his goal, and his ambition. And he was born in Jaipur in 20 in December 28, 2001, and when he was younger, so he had a much curiosity towards his cricket, and he wanted play one time in India's team. And his father was very disappointed with him. And one day his father said to him that, what do you want to in your life? And he said that, I want to play in India's team, and my dream is cricket. And one day I will be play with India's team. And his father said, yes, I am sending you to your uncle. And his uncle lived in Mumbai. And when he reached Mumbai at his uncle home, so when he reached his uncle home, so he saw there that his uncle health already bad, and he don't want to give them some kind of problem. So he said to his uncle that, uncle, don't worry, I will be managed, but please don't tell my dad. And I will live in Mumbai, and I want to play cricket with India's team. And he started work in a dairy, and after some time he got fired by someone. And after that he went in a playground of cricket, and he worked here, and he also struggled here. And one day the coach of cricket match, and he was seeing him that he was playing along of the ground of cricket match, and he was playing very good. And when coach saw him that he was playing very good, and after that he adopted him. And he said that I will तुम्हारा खर्चा उठा लूंगा. I will manage your expenses, but you have to play from my side. And he said that, yes sir. And he had a much passionate about his cricket. And one day, and that time he was just 11-year-old. And one day he played in a ground and with team player. And in 2029 he played with India's team, and he scored many runs more than other player. So now you can see so now you can get some motivation like this boy. So thank you, that's it.